up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. And as you already saw by the title, I'm going to do Jojo Siwa products, and I'm going to test them out and to see if they're good. And I don't know why, but they probably are going to be good. So the first product is going to be sticky putty, and it's supposed to put it in a ball and you're supposed to put it in a ball and it will change into a bouncy ball and it will bounce. So let's test that out. So guys, I put it in the best ball I can. So let's test it. Oh, it didn't fail. There. It's so good. Let's try it on. So that is a pretty good one, and when you first just let it sit in the container, everything was really good. Like it's not like my color changing one where it's like really fun, but this one's pretty fun. It's like a bouncy ball, homemade bouncy ball that you can make, and it's really fun. So let's put it back and test out the next one. Test out. So I'm just gonna put that right here. So this is perfume, and I think this might be lotion.
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss. So here it is. I'm going to test out the
Hold on, show it. It's called Strawberry Scented Fragrance.
This one is
And that is Cupcake.
So let's test out this perfume.
Is it glass or plastic?
It smells really good.
Further away, honey.
Who cares?
Let me do it for you.
This smells really good, by the way.
You just push it on.
Now,
Too much, huh?
now let's test out this whatever.
Lip gloss. Oh, and it has a charm. How cute.
A little pink diamond charm. I never used this.
Just a little squeeze until you see it come out.
Oh, geez. That's what it looks. It's shimmery. Really shimmery. Oh, it's really shimmery. That's what I'm saying. Like, I can't really, it's like, it looks like pink inside of the container. But, and then like when you take it out, it's silver, so it's really cool. So those are the first products.
She looks really young on this one.
And so let's test out the next product. Oh, these two products are together. So this is a Jojo Siwa pen, and then a little notebook. In the notebook, I don't know where and the lock has a cute little Jojo bow. Let's move on to the next product. Let's move on to the next product now, because leaving me. Okay, let's open up. So this next product is Jojo Siwa headband.
Cute.
This is what it looks like. And it's two bows, and I actually have one of these bows, but in a bigger version, so it's really cool. So let's move on to the next product is bath and body set. So there's a bunch of bath and body set. So there might be a couple steps.
Let's see.
Let's just open it up.
Yeah, it says it has body wash, body lotion, body spray, bubble bath, hair detangler. Now that you have short hair, we don't really need that no more.
we already have a full Barbie one that, hello.
Your Barbie detangler?
Yeah, we had that one for years now. So.
No, I just keep rebuying it.
Yes, pen. This is why Jojo pens come in handy when you're opening up Jojo stuff. Just don't mind me being a murderer to this box.
Oh. This putty says glit-a-goo.
Okay, got the box open. Yay.
Dang.
So here it is. The first one I'm going to pull out.
Here, let me see.
First one I'm going to pull out is this one. This is... Bubble bath. This one's bubble bath.
Play, dance, repeat. Grape scented bubble bath. Smell it.
So, wait. Okay. Oh, Jesus. It smells like grape. It smells really, really good. Now, can I see the book of water?
Ooh, it smells like bubble grape. Ooh. No, because that's for the other thing. Here, put the cap back on.
Well, I guess not. I guess I'm not going to show you the cool part. Because we have a bottle. How about just add a dab? I'm adding a dab, Mommy. Okay?
After the next one. After this.
You mean after this one?
After this. Or whatever that one is.
There's the first one. I'm just going to put it right there.
Oh, put it back in there.
No. The next one is hairspray. Yeah, this is hairspray.
The hair detangler.
Hair detangler.
It says pass the mic. Berry scented hair detangler.
Let's open it up.
Just pull it apart.
Oh, that's why.
Oh, yeah. What's the scent on it?
Oh, you smell it.
Rub it in your hair. It's hair detangler. It's supposed to be berry scented. It smells kind of good. Let's see what it... You just caught it.
Next product is...
Where's the cat, baby?
I don't think
You had it, remember?
Here it is. The next product is body lotion. And it is raspberry scented.
Let me see.
Let's open it up.
Well, that's our dogs. Shh. You're ruining ruining our video. Jojo's not going to appreciate this.
Okay, so here's the lotion. Oh, too much.
Whoa. Roll up your sleeves. Hey, shush. You want a snack? Shush. Does it smell good? Hey! Let me smell.
It's sticking.
You gotta keep your sleeves up.
It smells really good.
Mhm.
Next product is body spray. Body spray is
Shh.
it's apple whatever. It's,
Let me see. Apple scented. Jojo's mixtape.
put it.
Hey, stop! Shh. Your hands are slippery. So we got bubble bath, hair detangler, body lotion, lip gloss, strawberry perfume, liquid lava putty, glitter glue, sassy pink.
Ready?
Oh wait, not so close. Not so close, baby. Let me help you out. Just arms up, like we do.
It smells really good. But last product is bubble wash. Body wash. Ugh. And it is scented whatever.
Whatever. Cotton candy.
Oh, cotton candy.
One of your favorites.
Bubble wash, okay. Oh! So here's the last product, which it smells really good.
Ugh, slimy. Does it smell good?
Mm-hmm.
Like real cotton candy?
Not like real okay, good.
So you're going to be smelling just like Jojo Siwa all the time, huh?
No, this is not like just Siwa. Okay, next product is this
Ooh, it's
velvet
pretty.
bow.
Is it velvet?
Yes, it's velvet.
Excuse our dogs. We are dog sitting. This is our dog, Ren, that most of you guys have seen. Ren? Hey.
No, Renzilla.
Renzilla?
From the verse.
That's Ren. And then that little stinker is her cousin, Daisy. Daisy. She's not used to being here, so we have a house full. That's a cute bow. Do you have a cute outfit to wear it with? Guess what that means then? We have to find something. Kids and anyone else watching this, she does pick that up afterwards. Do you want me to snap that in real quick?
On each side.
Well, this is pretty. So right there in the corner, it has, oh, the Jojo glitter heart.
No, it's Jojo symbol.
The Jojo symbol. Very pretty. Basic Bobo. I meant Jojo. Here.
Bobo is her dog.
Oh, is that the dog's name? I wonder if she named it because of the bows. Bobo. There you go. How about you put the headband on too? Wait, I want to see the symbol on this one.
It's all the same symbols, Mommy.
This one's all blue with glitter, though. That one is silver glitter.
I'm just going to be wearing this for the rest of the video.
Your name should be Bobo.
Next product is nail kit.
Ooh, pretty. They're scented polishes, too, it says.
Ooh.
While she's opening that, let's look at our puppy. Ren? Rennie, baby. What are you doing?
She's like, I want to bake it.
These are the window Christmas decals Elena put up.
Okay. Maybe I'm back onto me, but here they are. I want to definitely
Here, let me see.
wouldn't try this right now on my fingers.
Oh, they got, are those tattoos or nail stickers?
Nail stickers.
It says, be your own star.
Be your own.
Dream, believe, achieve.
Mommy, can we just get on to the video if they don't like that?
You got marshmallow scented, which is like, what is that, a teal, you think? Turquoise teal.
I wanna paint one of my nails green right now.
And then the red one is strawberry scented. See if it really smells like marshmallows. Oh, you get it on your face? It's gonna drip, girl. Okay, we'll do this later, Elena. Girl. Oof, this stinks.
No.
That is not marshmallow. They need to rethink about that smell.
Here's the green.
Hold still.
Blue now.
That's a pretty color. Here, put this. We'll do this soon.
No, I did have to let that dry.
Okay. What's this? Oh, it's a nail file. How cute.
Yeah, I need it. I'm just joking. There it is.
What a cute nail file.
Can you see it?
That is not what a nail file is for. You got paint all over you now. So that is smelly marshmallow. That one is strawberry. It's a pretty red. Sorry about the dog. The yellow's cupcake, Elena.
Daisy!
The yellow's cupcake. Purple is cookie.
Light
Pink is,
Light pink.
what do you think the light pink is?
Kind of candy.
Bubblegum. And what do you think the dark pink is?
Cotton candy.
Snow cone. Which, should we smell all of them or just pick one more to smell? Because that marshmallow, maybe like burnt, stepped on, left outside for days, scented marshmallow.
I want to try bubblegum.
Sorry, Jojo. The color is really pretty, though. That's supposed to be bubblegum.
Oh!
Maybe when they dry, they smell better. Oh, no. Mm-mm.
They're my hands.
That was bubblegum in a rotten mouth? Color's still pretty, girl.
Okay.
Wait, you might want to check that. See if I screwed it on tight enough.
I did.
Hey, Daisy?
Daisy.
Daisy, look at us.
Daisy May.
This is the guest that she's never been here before. She is a Chihuahua and Pug mix. And she's on high alert.
Okay, moving on to the last product. What is the last product?
La la la.
Let's just do this video. I don't like this dog.
Hey! Ooh.
Ooh, that was a good one. So, let's move on to the bucket of water.
So we're gonna test these. This is Jojo Siwa scented bath fizzies.
I'm gonna start with green.
We're not gonna do all, just one,
I
okay?
know, that's why I wanted to do green.
Are they different scents?
No, there's no sense. So, what?
So you got pink, orange, yellow, green, and blue. I'm gonna bring it over here, Bubba.
I know, it just needs kind of bad.
It's a Jojo mess on the couch. This is our bucket of water.
Once it explodes.
You better hurry up and run to the sink. Hey, can you stop? You too. This is a hot mess of a video. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Elena.
Ready?
Set, go.
I was like touching them.
We have dogs singing in the back. Can you guys stop? Hey! Stop! Stop! Sorry, I'm screaming in this. Stop it.
Oh, there's small details too. Ow.
You said ow?
Yeah, because it burnt me.
It burned you?
Yeah, because like it stings you.
It stings you?
Yeah.
Huh.
When I have a cut and I put my finger on it, it hurts.
Oh.
There, it's so fun and slimy.
It's not so fizzy.
It's slimy though. Maybe it's slime.
A bath slimer?
Yeah, it's actually true.
Why ain't it fizzing? Maybe just hold it still. Just drop it.
Maybe
Okay, just drop it.
Maybe we have to break it up. And break it up. And mix. I don't think nothing's happening.
Is this a fail?
I think this one might be a fail.
They're not even fizzing. Jojo.
Jojo doesn't make her products. People that work for Jojo do. That looks so bad. Like, what's going on? It looks
So the review of that bath fizzy.
not so good.
Well, there's 4 more, so hopefully one of these will,
Lead to goodness.
hopefully.
I'm just kind of scratchy.
Well, this was the Jojo collection. You see, it was like Jojo merch to the max, and this isn't even all of her Jojo merch. She still has like clothing, stickers, shoes, more bows,
A puppy.
a Jojo Bobo puppy.
Puppy, I have a Jojo ball. Popo ball.
Here, go dry your hands first. I just need to show this. This is cute. Her auntie got her a iPod. Her first iPod. I am not up on game on the iPods these days. It looks like an iPhone. And this cute donut case. What you singing? And then the iPod is super cute because it is a metallic blue.
I choose it.
Chose. Where's your
There's a bug.
Bobo is in the And she has Bobo. She got this a while ago.
For my birthday.
Are we naming it something else?
No, Bobo. Ren's like, I think I want that green water.
You want to show your unicorn bag too?
That's not part of Jojo.
Bobo puppy.
Bobo puppy.
Well, I showed your iPod, and that's not part of Jojo.
Because she loves cupcakes. She doesn't like unicorns and just Jojo, if you're watching this, I know you like unicorns,
But it's so cute, and it's sparkly and fun. If this dog... Her auntie also got her this cute... Oh, there you go. A cute unicorn with her A. A starts with... Alana.
Amanda.
And Amanda. Auntie Amanda.
And Miranda.
No. Jojo's juice. Happy thoughts. Super cute. Be happy, cute, and confident.
Hey, does someone want my headphones?
All right, well.
Mommy, show the camera over here.
Oh my gosh, I guess she wants a close-up of her going cray-cray. Oh, look at them new pajama pants she got for Christmas. Come here, do a close-up. You gotta hold still, boo. Hold still. They are pug unicorns. Way too big for her, but...
Wait. I can't come out my fashion.
Ain't this thing cute, though? So much stuff. Makes me want to be a kid again. If any parents are watching, doesn't this make you want to be a kid again? Let's see what she keeps in her bag. This is going to be one of those YouTube what's in my bag things. Okay, is Elena ready to embarrass herself? Elena, this looks like a Jojo bag. It's not...
No.
Does Justice have a heart logo too?
No.
Oh, okay, yeah. Bag is from Justice.
Mommy, ready?
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, everyone, be ready for this. And here comes Elena Elise. Whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah, girl. Oh, yeah, work it. Work it. Yeah, work it. Work it. Looking like a grandpa. Grandpa. Hey, grandpa. Grandpa. Hey, with the britches up to your chest. Britches up to your chest. Hey, hey. Do the flouse. Yeah. Do the flouse. Yeah. Fork knife. Fork knife. Fork knife. Do like your brothers. Fork knife. Fork knife. All right. Well, this video completely changed. All right. Are we done, Elena?
Yep.
Dogs, are we done? Now that y'all are done barking?
Before we're done with this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell,
Hit the notification bell. Why are you falling?
Red to gray, and give us a huge thumbs up.
Thumbs it up. Put them thumbs up. Put them thumbs up.
In the next video.
Hope you had a happy holiday and have a great new year.
Bye.
Later, alligators.